In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of the homepage editor in your SubHub website. I've just logged in as admin and I'm here in the control panel. And I'm going to head over to the homepage editor to start designing my site. And I've already gotten a start on it, as you can see on the public homepage. Just before we get into that, a note about home pages on your membership website. You have at least two to configure. Your public home page is obviously the one that the general public will see when they come to your website. The member home page is the page that your logged in members will land on as soon as they have logged in. After they've signed up and become members, they log into your site. You send them directly to the member home page. You can also customize home pages for different member groups within your site, if you so desire. So let's go into the general settings for a moment. These are some site-wide settings. Some of them can be overridden if you're working directly on your home page here. The font section is site-wide, so you would go over to Google Fonts and grab the URL for whatever font you want to use and just paste it in here. Color settings for various title sizes, article titles, button background, etc. Most of these can be overridden for your homepage if you desire. There's some spacing settings. You can have a side navigation if you like. Just enable that. And we have a place for custom CSS and integrations. So let's go into sections for a moment. And let's see where we upload our logo. I'm going to go into top navigation. And here's where we upload the logo. Interesting point that you might be interested in if you happen to be working on your member homepage and you go into that top navigation setting, you can set that differently for your members than you do for the general public. If you wanted to have a different logo, different navigation items up here, which is quite often the case, you can easily do that. So turning to these sections back to the public homepage for a sec, show you how the sections work. So these sections correspond to what you are working on currently in the design panel. With each of these sections, you can rename it, you can duplicate it, hide, or get rid of it altogether. Now you notice that we have various types of sections, and this one, for example, is a 1-column section. This is a 3-column, 2-column, 4-column, and a pricing table, which is kind of a specialty one. If you want to add sections, just come in here, and for these column layouts, go to Showcase, and you'll have a choice of what you want to add in there. And then when you get to a section that you want to configure, you just click on the pencil icon. And all of your settings will be available. And you can change your text, add images, background colors, widths, etc. Same with all of these sections. And when you're done, you will always click the Save button. And if you've made a change, there will be Publish Now button up here to click. You will want to click that. And finally, we can actually view this as a visitor. This is our public homepage. Let's see what we've got. And back to the control panel, back to homepage editor for the next thing we want to do. That is it for your quick overview of the homepage editor. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.